Today's topic is about how to import video and audio into the Premiere environment. First, most easily, in the Project tab, by double-clicking in the project environment, we find the folder where the desired file is located and enter the desired file into the Premiere environment. In the second method, by right-clicking in the project environment and selecting Import, a window will open through which you can select your desired file and enter the Premiere environment. In the third method, we click on File and press Import and the window opens and we select the desired file. And in the last method, a window is opened through the shortcut code Ctrl+I and we enter the desired file into our project environment. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.